Greetings and welcome to the broadcast. I'm your host. Folks, look at this flat earth watch, sometimes kind of a lunar motif mixed in there. The amount and layers of gears, yes, the earth actually spins in this thing, and the outside ring of planets spins. However, what would be the Antarctica ring, the 200-foot high Antarctica ring on this thing, stays pretty much stationary. Now let me get here a little bit closer here. The company's a little bit closed mouth about this. They bill it as just a kind of a lunar watch. There's a lot more going on here. The calibration, it says to recalibrate this is only many, many years. Now here's another watch where the moon, some of these watches, people say the moon actually turns like the hands of a clock. This of course would be the ring of Antarctica there, and that shows some planetary things. But now here's the dome watch. This is currently a prototype. You can see the planets inside, so they're kind of mixing ball earth with dome and with some I don't want to say fluctuations, but some illumination characteristics in there. Somebody's putting a lot of brain power into these prototypes, and if I ever see a real one, I'll try to get it up where we can look at it and actually operate. Companies, again, some of them just put their toe into the water for flat earth or something like that. Here's one here we're coming up that just puts around the outside a few diamonds. Could be kind of like Antarctica, and then the center cluster of gears could be where the sun was, on the earth in some of the flat earth models where the sun kind of goes around, a little bit of an elliptical function. Go online if you want to see how other guys do it. Here's some more simplistic flat earth watch stuff. This apparently has been around for a while. The one I just showed you, this one here, I can't get enough of showing it to you. The first time I saw this, the absolute first time, when that thing is spinning, when the earth is spinning in this thing and those constellations are there, and you're trying to look at astrolabe functions as well. It's fascinating, the detail and precision. Well, here's our friends, the occultists. God help, they've got the all-seeing eye on the top of this one moving for the sun. The bottom is a moon phase. I'm going to throw in a couple watches here that I just kind of discovered while trying to make the show here for us. We've seen this one again. It's coming up a second time. Now, when I say the moon turns, look at this. Some people believe that moon just doesn't rotate, but it turns like the hands of a clock. And there's a guy on YouTube that he swears it happens. And look at this. Those two round deals, one even says the moon, one could be the sun. If it were to rotate, spin in there, would be like the Orlando Ferguson model of the flat earth. So there's a lot, and on where the hand, or the second hand pointed, minute hand in the last one, you could see kind of an Antarctic ridge they had sculpted in the outside ring. They're getting more and more brave. Here, I'll show it to you one more time. It's hard to believe. Apparently it would take one man many years to make this thing. The assembly is unreal. I can't find out about the assembly time. Now, people do say, and I don't want to get into it, that this company, not this one, was the Lang & Sons. Well, I'll try to find you the stem that says Lang & Sons here, just the next take, that they're Nazi, related to the Nazis. Well, look, that took place a long time ago, and if they made some wristwatches for the German army, gee, I'm sorry. But the company is there. I don't know what their beliefs are, stated facts, but I know the precision is unparalleled from what I've seen. Now, here's kind of an Orlando Ferguson model. Kind of a deep dish. You can see that, can't you? And then I'll get the Orlando Ferguson map out. It has, you see right here, has the four corners, a deep kind of a dish. On this, if you travel north, you would go to the North Pole like on a real globe. If you travel east or west, same thing. If you go south, however, anywhere on the globe you hit that ring, and that's in the flat earth model, that's Antarctica. And then the four corners are the scriptural reference to the angels, the four corners of the winds. And before you laugh at this, take a look at some stuff from other cultures. Now, see that round gold-colored ring? That could be... Folks, I'm sorry. Due to time constraints, we got to call it a day. Goodbye.